How to log in to crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log into crypto.com on your browser, PC or laptop. Now if you want to do it on the PC or laptop, you'll have to do it on the browser, right? So I'll make a detailed video on how you can do so on the PC or laptop, but for now I'll be showing you how you can do it on the browser. So you can simply head into crypto.com on your browser. Simply open up your browser, any browser, and then type in crypto.com. Now as long as you have the access to the particular page, if your IP address hasn't banned the server, you'll be able to head over to the login page. In the login page, you can simply tap on it. Now as I said before, the IP address is locked in my region, so you'll get the page like this. As you can see, it'll ask you to create new account or log into existing account. You can simply tap on create new account if you haven't created a new account, or you can tap on login option there on the screen, and then you can go ahead and log in using entering in your email address and other details. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.